If you're struggling with green veins, white dot, dark knuckles, bleached skin, just combine this body lotion and soap together and it will be long gone.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you loved my previous video on best body care combo for all skin concerns and requested I talk about more skin concerns like green veins, white dots, dark knuckles, and other tough skin problems. So if your skin concern wasn't in the previous video, this is a part 2 and I bet yours will be here. If you haven't seen the part 1, you might as well go check that out. Don't forget to also like this video, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. Like you already saw from the title of today's video, I'll be showing you the 5 best body care combo for tough skin concerns like white dots, green veins, dark inner thighs and buttocks, and even that your bleach patchy skin. So if you struggle with any of the skin issues, then endeavor to keep on watching. The first skin concern we'll be tackling today is white dots. And one combo I recommend you use if you have white dots or white patches on your skin is this K Brothers USA Sulfur Soap combined together with this Vaseline Total Moisture Body Lotion and a few drops of your tea tree oil. Or you can even use this Nizoria Anti-Dandruff Shampoo or this Dr. Teal's body wash with eucalyptus and spearmint oil. Any of this combo is going to clear out your white dots and white patches in a matter of 2 weeks to a month. And here is why. This sulfur soap or the Nizoria shampoo or even the Dr. Teal's eucalyptus spearmint body wash are known to kill fungi buildup. So using any of those body washes or soap is going to deeply exfoliate your skin and unclog your hair follicles, because most white dots or white patches you see on your skin is either as a result of keratin buildup or maybe you're reacting to a particular body lotion or cream that you bought. Using any of those anti-fungi body washes is going to help you tackle the roots of your problem. Now, imagine when you now pair it with this Vaseline Total Moisture Body Lotion that is mixed with drops of tea tree oil. It's going to help kill the fungi, hydrate your skin, and soften the keratin plug. So the whole essence of adding this tea tree oil to this body lotion is to ensure you do not have any form of white dots anymore. Now, if your white dots is as a result of using a particular cream or lotion, I would definitely recommend you discontinue that particular body lotion. Or better still, you can add some drops of your vitamin E capsules into that particular body lotion to neutralize the effect. And within some weeks, you're going to see your white dots clear out on its own. Now, the next concern we'll be talking about is green veins. And one body lotion and soap combo I'll recommend for anyone that have visible green veins or maybe your skin is already looking thinned out is combining Dove Sensitive Bar Soap with the QEI Plus Privilege Body Lotion that contains argan oil. Or you can even use this Aveeno Oatmeal Body Wash combined together with your Nivea Repair and Care Body Lotion. Any of this combo is going to clear up your green veins, because most green veins is as a result of misusing a lightening lotion, or maybe you were using a bleaching lotion that thinned out your skin. Your veins are going to be so visible. So if your skin is already thinned out and your green veins are just everywhere, then any of this combo is going to clear it out. Now, if you're one of those people that want to fix or get rid of their green veins without getting darker, you can go for the QEI Plus Privilege Body Lotion and the Dove Sensitive Bar Soap together. This combo is going to help get rid of your green veins without making you go darker. It's going to help you protect your skin and build more elasticity on your skin because of the argan oil in it. Now, this is actually one combo I've recommended for our clients. And guys, I told her to use the QAI Plus Privilege with 2 or 3 capsules of the vitamin E oil, the yellow one precisely. And guys, within a month of combining this together, she was actually happy. Like, she really loved the effect. This combo will help to increase your skin's elasticity and thicken your skin. Instead of using a regular body oil, you can get this, or you can even get the Gold retinol oil. You're going to see so much improvement on your skin. Your green veins is gradually going to become less visible. So no matter how terrible your green veins looks, just try this combo and you're definitely going to see the effect. Now, for those of you battling with dark knuckles, you see this Asante Tamarind Goat Milk Soap paired together with the Neutrogena hand cream. It's actually a bomb. If you want to tackle your dark knuckles and have your skin looking well blended, just use this combo together. There is no need buying all those dark knuckle cream, dark knuckle serum. They will make your dark knuckles to get worse. All you basically need to do is, immediately you're done applying your body lotion, always ensure you wash your hands using this Asante Tamarind soap. And immediately you're done washing your hands, apply this Neutrogena hand cream, or you can even use any other hand cream of your choice. It's not a must you must get this Neutrogena one, but ensure that it has moisturizing properties that can help to moisturize and blend your skin. So this particular Neutrogena one is the one I've actually tried out, and I can tell you one thing for a fact: you're going to see the results, like it's instant. So it's something that you will use and you're going to notice it. So whenever you're done applying your body lotion, wash your hands with this and apply your hand cream. And whenever you're done washing your plates, also use this hand cream and you're going to see the effect. Your knuckles will become less visible. Your dark knuckles is going to blend away. Just be consistent with this combo and you would not even know there is anything called dark knuckles. Now, if you want to be extra, just ensure you exfoliate your dark knuckles 2 or 3 times weekly and apply this hand cream to it, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. The next concern we'll be tackling is dark inner thighs and buttocks. If your inner thighs looks like this, or your buttocks looks anything like this, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Body Wash paired together with Fair and White Maxi Tone should be your go-to. This combo will gradually transform your dark inner thighs and also brighten up your dark buttocks. By the time you consistently use this for 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to see visible effects on your skin. The Palmer's Cocoa Butter Body Wash is going to ensure you don't have any form of stretch marks and all of that. Because most people, when they are trying to treat their dark inner thighs and black ass, most times they end up with stretch marks because they are using products that will even cause more stretch marks and discolorations on that area. So when you pair this together, it's going to ensure you do not have any of those extra damages. Like, you will not be battling with stretch marks and the rest while trying to treat your dark inner thighs and dark buttocks. So if you want to be extra, just use this combo together and add a turmeric body scrub to it, and you're definitely going to see results. When you apply your turmeric scrub to that area, allow it to sit for like a period of 2 to 3 minutes before washing it out. This actually works like magic. So go try this out, and your dark inner thighs and dark buttocks will have you to thank for it. Finally, for my girlies struggling with bleach patchy skin tone, combine this Dove Pink Bar Soap together with your bio oil lotion, or you can even use this Glutathione Comprime Body Wash together with your Nivea Nourishing Body Lotion. See, if you have a bleach patchy skin, this Comprime Shower Gel combined together with the Nivea lotion is what you should be using. But if your bleach patchy skin is still mild, you can just pair the Dove body soap together with the bio oil lotion and you're going to see the effect. Whereas if your own have been stubborn, like it have been there for ages and the pigmentation is not just going away, just use this combo together. Apply your Glutathione Comprime Shower Gel on that particular area that you have or dark patchy skin, and leave it on for a few minutes before going in to have your shower. And also ensure you exfoliate your skin while at it, and you're going to see the effect. Your skin is going to get uniformly toned and even. Glutathione is a safe skin brightener, so it's going to gradually brighten up your skin, whereas the Nivea Nourishing Body Lotion is going to help repair and slowly restore your skin glow. So if your goal is to get rid of that bleach patchy skin, girl, just try out this particular combo and you will definitely come and thank me later. Using any of those combos in your skincare routine is going to help you fix your skin fast. You're going to see wonders on your skin. Just ensure you're exfoliating your skin and you're using a good sunscreen, and the result is going to be visible. I hope these body care combos help you achieve your skin goals. If you really found today's video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and let me know which of these combos you'll be trying out. Let me know your skin concerns in the comment section as well, and I might recommend something that will be useful for you. Share this with someone that you know will really need it. And don't forget to check out the party one of those if you have stretch marks, uneven skin tones, and the rest. Catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.